Hello and welcome. So today we are going to see how to install Python, Jupyter and how to import different library over there. So let's start from the Python. We open our browser, search for the Python and from here we will download the Python for the Windows version. So here when we click on download we see couple of options and the platform. So we will be moving ahead with the Python. So let us download and then we'll start the installation. So once you have the exe file you can run it out, and while it is running this is pretty simple setup which we can do, and in this one setup we will cover Python, will import the library like numpy, matlab, also we'll see the Jupyter notebook. So let's install with the installation. So first I will add this add Python to the path and we'll go with the custom installation. Next we'll install it for all the users. Remember the path where we are installing it, because this is something we need to take care. Okay, so we'll say yes and we'll wait for a few seconds to complete the installation. Yeah, it is done. So now we will open the directory where our Python is installed. Go over there and we'll go there till script. This is something where basically all our scripts are there. It's not a main directory, but basically here we come here for pip. This is something will help us to import the library. So this is the default Python console, and this console we use for running the Python command. And if we try this for import the library, this will not work. For that we have to go with the Windows CMD. So here we can open the CMD and now we have to go to the path till script. So we are here in the path scripts, and here using the pip application, pip application, we will import the library. So remember we open the CMD console without administrator access. So we'll see what is the error we will get over here, and then we'll go with the installation. So it's all depend which user you are using, and if you install this and after downloading the package if it is gives the error, that means there is a problem with your user and probably you can run the CMD with the administrator console. So here you can see this is throwing an error for me. So for the same, what I will do is I will go with the CMD again, but this time I will run as administrator, and again I will move to the same path which is my Python home directory, and then I will go into the scripts. So let me move over there, and from there I will run the command pip space install space the library name. So in Python we have a lot of library, as and when we come to know the libraries and we have to use them, we can simply install them using the same command. So here we are going to install couple of, but not all. So we open the CMD with the administrator console and we install it, and it's successful. Here you can see the one warning which is saying my pip is lower, whereas the higher version is available. I will also tell you how to upgrade the pip just in case if it is outdated. So now install the another library which is Skype. So this is I just missed the spell. So this is something basically which we utilize for the scientific features and other things. So numpy, Skype, matlab, they all three comes into the picture when you have to work on the deep learning, specifically when you go for the regression, or I say linear regression and other thing. So this is a bit heavy and will take some more amount of time. Okay, we are done with this, and now we are going to install another library which is matplotlib. And this is again, as the name suggests, this is for the mathematical function as well as for the graph. So like that, we have couple of library in Python. Okay, so we'll wait a few more minutes and let this to complete. Yep. Okay, so it's going on. Okay, so we are done with the importing the libraries on we did their installation. Now since we are getting this error, so we can do this using this command pip install space hyphen hyphen upgrade hyphen pip. So this is how I'm going to upgrade my pip version, and I just did it. You will see this error, but basically this is not an error. It is just the warning which we receive, because when I see or when we check the version, it says we are on the latest one. So here we go. Now sorry, now we'll go for the Anaconda. So basically when we have to install Jupitor, we have to search or we have to log into the website which is Anaconda, and this is the site which basically distribute the Jupitor notebook. So here if you see Jupitor, your spider, your numpy, your pandas, all will be taken care in the one thing. So since I am having a Windows, I'm going to install the Windows one, but you have option to get it for the Mac OS, for Linux, other things. So I just started for the Windows, and once the downloads will finish, I will install it out. Yes, so I've initiated the installation. This will take couple of minutes, and based on your system performance may go beyond that. So no worry, this generally takes some time. Okay, so next, and yes, you can do it for the all the user. This is something which is best. And yes, whatever comes we have to say yes, just for this directory is fine. Yeah, that's correct. Now here we see the option whether you want to add this to default path. So this is something is mandatory when you are installing the Python, but not when you install the Anaconda. So you see, if we already have couple of library the application with home path, they make it the problem. So we will go with the default value only. We will not make it as a default, and we'll initiate the installation. So let's installation to go ahead. Yeah, it is done, and let me click on the finish, and now we will open all the by one. So let me open, this is my Python console, or this is something where I can directly do the Python, and in Python I have Python IDE also. This is something basically we use to write our script and then execute it. So this is something kind of compiler, and last we'll go to the Anaconda. So here if you expand the Anaconda, you will see Jupyter notebook. You have to go over there, and first we start with the Jupyter, how it is. So this is very beautiful tool which support a lot of things, and once it is open, you just need to click on the Python 3. So basically this Jupyter, this is supporting Python 3, because on my system currently Python is only installed. If I go with the some other language, that will also come over there. So let's run our first program using Jupyter. So I will be typing the hello world and we'll run it out. Yes, so it is. So basically it's a very excellent tool. You just run it out, you know what to run, where to run, and how you have to run it out. So next command we will see how to import the library. So as you have seen, we have uh, installed the numpy, and this is the way to import the library. And from there, since you have imported the library, now all your command will work if you go with the numpy. Okay, so the similar command will run on the default Python console or the default Python window, and let's see the result. Yeah, it's same here. This is the uh, Python executor. Here if you go to the file and open a new, this is something where you can write your script, you can run it out, and you can see the output over here. So this is kind of your compiler, and every time when you run the command it restart the console. So let's run the command first. Yes, and yes, if you see the cell here, restart cell also. So basically Python, if you run the command n number of times, every time it's restart. So that's it for the Python installation. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.